That attack was not just a normal attack. We now have the details. It was an assassination attempt sanctioned by William Ruto and executed by Murkomen. We'll be giving full details in the next few days so that Kenyans can know what happened.
Alright guys, welcome back. Rigathi Gachagua today was clear that what happened in Othaya with Tima Church ACK was not just an attack, it was an assassination. And who was behind that assassination? William Samoei Ruto. Just listen direct from Rigathi Gachagua.
Umeenda Othaya, umekaribishwa vizuri, a few days umetumana kanisani akina mama na watoto kupigwa. It's a shame. Sindio? Now I'll be telling the people of Kenya that attack was not just a normal attack. We now have the details. It was an assassination attempt sanctioned by William Ruto and executed by Murkomen. We'll be giving full details in the next few days so that Kenyans can know what happened. And I want to tell the people of Othaya, mlikuwa mnatungoja kwa hiyo mkutano, tutarudi huko na hao viongozi, tukuje tusungumze na watu ya Othaya. Because we cannot be intimidated. Finally, don't be worried. The Kenyan population is one term. Viongozi ndio wanaradada kutafuta pesa kwa Kasongo. But wananchi wako sawa, si ndio? The wananchi are okay.
In case this is your first time coming across us, kindly please click that subscribe buttons, then allow notification buttons to be on. Whenever we shall producing a video like this one, YouTube will automatically giving you a notification. And now Rigathi Gachagua was clear that William Samoei Ruto will keep on praising that Mwai Kibaki was a good person, or rather a good president. Mwai Kibaki alileta masomo ya bure. Mwai Kibaki left a legacy in this country, mpaka sasa bado inaonekana. Why are you now attacking his own people in Othaya? That is Nyeri County. Listen.
Kasongo and Soprano were in Othaya, saying how they emulate Mwai Kibaki. But the first thing Kasongo has done is to destroy the legacy of Mwai Kibaki of free primary education. Number two, ameenda Othaya kwa ACK Kareki Church. Amesema vile anamheshimu Mwai Kibaki. Next weekend, ametuma askari na wahuni in the same Othaya in an ACK church in Wetima to beat women and children. Hiyo wewe unasema ati unaheshimu Mwai Kibaki. Umeenda Othaya, umekaribishwa vizuri, a few days umetumana kanisani akina mama na watoto kupigwa. It's a shame. Sindio?
Guys, when the year was beginning, William Samoei Ruto's bloggers craft a narrative, and that narrative was that most people are now dumping Rigathi Gachagua and joining William Samoei Ruto. And that was just a plan that they have just created so that they can paint Rigathi Gachagua as a person whom most of the people are now running away from him. But Rigathi is clear that those people that walimutoka, they are not his people. Ni hao watu walikuwa wametumwa na Kasongo just to spy on him, the plans on how DCP is and the plans of loyal opposition. But now wameenda, they have gone where they belong.
There was a narrative in the beginning of the year to watu wanatoka United Opposition, sijui wanatoka DCP wanaenda kwa Kasongo. Hakuna mtu anatoka DCP ama United Opposition. Those were moles and spies of Kasongo in our party. We have removed them. Wamerudi pahali walitoka. Kwa hivyo, there is a transfer window. In the next 2 months, wale wasaliti wote na spies na moles ya Kasongo, tutawatoa warudi pahali walifanya nini? Wengine wanatoka DCP wanaenda straight kwa Kasongo, where they belonged. Mwingine alikuwa kwangu, tukamtoa. Akakimbia Kenya moja, akafukuzwa. Akakuja kwa Matiang'i, akafukuzwa, amerudi kwa Kasongo. And that is what we shall do. And among ourselves here we'll share intelligence. Tukifukuza moja tumejua ni mtu ya Kasongo, usikubali akuja kwako, wacha arudi kwa Kasongo. Siko namna hiyo. So thank you very much watu ya DP, tuko pamoja. I want to assure you we'll work together. These leaders, we are all committed. We'll have one presidential candidate to face William Ruto to make sure he's one term so that we restore the dignity of the payslip and we restore the Kenyan nation. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much.
That this is an engaging platform. Let's share our thoughts in comment section. Why is it William Samoei Ruto wants to assassinate Rigathi Gachagua? Ni nini ambacho William Samoei Ruto wants the life of Rigathi Gachagua? Ni kitu gani notice from Rigathi Gachagua that me and you we have not yet noticed that thing? Is it that it's now clear that Rigathi Gachagua is winning his impeachment case? It might be. You know, Rigathi Gachagua might, through his lawyer, or rather, the evidence that they have collected, it's clear that Rigathi Gachagua is going to be cleared by the court. And when Rigathi Gachagua is being cleared by the court, even though people tempt Rigathi Gachagua to be a tribal, but that guy is very lethal. And Rigathi is going to stand for presidency of this nation. And that is not something that William Samoei Ruto hataki kusikia. And where I see it, I try to see that that is the case now. William Samoei Ruto just aseme, let me do away with this person. So that 7, I may have just a walkover in that election. And guys, I'm coming up with another video where opposition now walipeleka malalamishi yao kwa IEBC. What happened and what transpired during just concluded by election. And guys, in that line of assassination, drop your thoughts in comment section. Why is he William Samoei Ruto is after Rigathi Gachagua's life? Drop your thoughts in comment section. I'll be doing my best to read it and giving you a response. And with that, guys, peace and love. And with that, guys, thank you for choosing Kenya Political Brief as your primary news platform, more so on politics. Kindly please share this video to a friend. If politics is your passion, this is the place you really wish to be. Kindly subscribe. Bye bye.